kind of man am I if I don't stand up for what is right? What kind of soldier am I if I don't prepare to fight?
Heroes Stories was created to give veterans a voice to the challenges and the struggles they faced overseas, to face the past and look forward to the future.
I got shot at more in Chicago than I ever did in Iraq. But the only thing that I really learned about war is that war never determines who is right, but only who's left.
And all you are, to everyone who knows, is either a bloodthirsty villain with no moral compass, or an honest-to-goodness hero. Not much else in between.
We've been through a lot of the same things. We've all been through a lot of different things.
There's people out there that care about us, man, you know, and that's something that we really needed to recognize.
I told myself right then and there, I was never going to let that happen to me. I'm going to make something of myself.
Veterans Empowerment Theater.